Back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. This is a heart with 2 spiral roses, and it's extremely quick to make and extremely easy. You can use it as an applique or a motif. Let's get down and let's do this. For this project, you need darning needle, pair of scissors, crochet hook, and whatever specific type of yarn you've decided to use. For this one I'm using this color pink, dusty pink. This does not need a lot of wool, and if you have any scrap yarn left over, it should be enough to make this rose. You will start by making a slip stitch, but I want you to leave a nice long tail, which we will use at the end to secure this rose together. So you see I've left a nice long piece, and I'm going to chain 56. So here we have our 56 chain, and we're going to start in the second chain from the hook. We're going to work 2 single crochets into your second chain. In the next chain, you're going to work 2 single crochets. In your next 2 chain, you'll make 2 half a double crochets per chain stitch. So I got my 2 half a double crochets in my one stitch. In the second stitch, I'm going to do the same 2 half a double crochets. For the next, now you will make 2 double crochets in the next 15 chain stitches. 2 double crochets per chain stitch for the next 15 stitches, chain stitches. Once you're done making your 2 double crochets in the 15 chain, you will make 1 double crochet in the next 8 chain. So 1 double crochet in each of the next 8 chain. You will also notice that your work starts to curl up. Do not worry about that. That is exactly the effect that you're looking for. Now we're going to work this part here. For that, you're going to make the following stitches in the next chain. 2 double crochet, you're going to chain 2, and in the same stitch you're going to put another 2 double crochets. Right. Now we're going to work backwards. You're going to put 1 double crochet in the next 8 chain. So 1 double crochet in each of the next 8 chain. Now work 2 double crochets in each of the following 15 chains. So in each chain you will have 2 double crochets for 15 chain stitches. You would have made your 2 double crochets in your 15 chain. Now we're going to make 2 half the double crochets in the next chain. In the third to last chain, you're going to make 2 half a double crochets again. Now you'll see you only have 2 chain stitches left, and you'll make 2 single crochets in each of them. Chain 1, leave a nice long tail, cut your yarn. pull to secure. Now, at any given time, you can pause this video, you can go into the settings, and you can slow down this video. Right. So your work will look like this, and you're going to go to the one end, and you're going to spiral, roll it up. Now, even this rolling, it's dependent on how tight or loose you want to roll this. I'm going a bit tighter here. And you're going to stop where you made your last 2 double crochet, just there. So that's the first one. For the second one, you've got 2 tails here. I'm going to move the top tail into the middle of the first stitch there, or should I say the last stitch I made. And I'm then going to roll this up a little bit at a time, and as I roll it, I am going to go through the stitches a few at a time. I'm going to leave this tail at the back. I'm just going to work this yarn and needle through it a bit. Now you do not want to pull the yarn too tight. Just be gentle. And again, you want to stop rolling when you get to your last 2 double crochet. Should be somewhere about here. Where is it? So I found it here, and I'm going to go through that last 2 double crochet there. Right, I'm going to secure this inside this project and make a knot inside. Remember, again, not too tight. When I do the side down, I'm also going to wrap it the exact same way, but as I've already wrapped it, I'm going to use my second thread because I want to connect both pieces of the heart in the middle, like this. When I finish joining this, can you see these stitches in the middle here? So if I open it up, there's the stitches. But this is basically what we've made. When you try this, please tag me in your video. Like, comment, subscribe, share what you make. Thank you so much for taking the opportunity to watch this. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.